Meet Lorenzo. Lorenzo is going through a quarter-life crisis and impulse bought a motorcycle. To look the part, he decided to get a jacket, new pants, and a helmet. But he couldn't scratch the feeling that he forgot something until it hit him. Or rather, he hit it. Without insurance, Lorenzo isn't covered for property damage, bodily injury, or any additional coverages listed under motorcycle insurance. Luckily, Lorenzo landed inside Insurance Navy, where he can get a personalized quote in less than 2 minutes. With motorcycle insurance from Insurance Navy, Lorenzo can cruise past his quarter-life crisis protected and in style.